had a blast. It has probably been the best conference I think I've ever been to.
We love it. We're going to be back next year.
I think it's amazing. It's been a conference has a whole different atmosphere than any other conference we've been to.
Oh, I loved it. I really had a good time. I liked all the energy and the great information that I got from all the presenters.
The experience has taught me a lot. Most of the sessions have taught me a lot about caring for our kids.
I really enjoyed getting to see everyone's energy and just reminding myself and my staff why we teach.